yeah. We can stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V, yeah. Come with me, fly you out to Greece. Full speed, the bullet belly.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Brianna Ayana. If you're new here, hey girl, hey. If you're not new here, thank you for coming back, girl. And as always, thank you for supporting. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe, and turn on your post notification bells if you guys want to be notified when I post a new video. So today's video is going to be a vlog. So I'm just carrying you along my day with me. I'm gonna run a couple errands, and then I have a date with my girl Edith later, so we're gonna get cute for that. So yeah, as you can see, I got dressed for the gym. I am wearing my women's best top. This is the power leggings, and it's in large, and this is the power seamless top. Ignore my stain, I don't know where it came from, but this is what I want to wear. And this is an extra large. If you guys want me to do a little haul of like my women's best collection, because I do have a few of their leggings and their tops, so yeah, if you guys do want to see that video, let me know in the comments down below. But let's head straight to the gym.
Leave all of your things, yeah. We can stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V, yeah. Come with me, fly you out to Greece. Full speed, so volley belly, yeah. Come with me, leave all of your things, yeah. We can stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V, yeah. Come with me, fly you out to Greece. Full speed, so volley belly, yeah. Speed full baby, in the speed. Waves in my hands, so deep. Been through the sand and the heat. All because of what I did on beats, baby. Light sweet, baby. I ain't stop, baby. You just go get ready, we go out, baby. Long time looking for the process. Andre had to bounce it. Come with me, leave all of your things, yeah. Get stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V, yeah. Come with me, fly you out to Greece. Full speed, so volley belly, yeah. Come with me, leave all of your things, yeah. Get stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V, yeah. Come with me.
So guys, I am all ready to head on the road. It's a little chilly, so I'm wearing this little sweater shirt, leggings, and my Adidas, and just this bag. So yeah, I just washed my hair. I'm gonna head on the road. I want to be quick because I don't want to have to rush to get ready when I get back. So yeah.
Leave all of your things, yeah. We can stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V, yeah. Come with me, fly you out to Greece. Full speed, so volley belly, yeah. Come with me, leave all of your things, yeah. We can stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V, yeah. Come with me, fly you out to Greece. Full speed, so volley belly, yeah. Speed post, baby, and make it beat. Waves in my head, smoking weed. Been through the sand and the heat. All because of what I did on beats, baby. Light sweet, baby. I ain't stop, baby. You just go get ready, we go out, baby. Long time looking for the process.
Hey guys, so I made it back home after running those quick errands, and I'm kind of in a rush because I need to go get ready at reservations at 7, and it's 6:16. But I just wanted to come and do a quick little Ulta haul. I got these face pads. I got some eyelash glue because I am running out. I got the NYX brow glue. I'm so excited to try this. I've seen a lot of people use this, and I'm excited to try it. Guys, ignore my nails, please. Don't judge me. And then the one of the ladies that was assisting me there, I was looking for exfoliating like scrub, and she recommended this one, and it's from Acure, so I will let you guys know how I like it. And then I just got some more. I forgot something else, but yeah, I got some more hyaluronic acid because I'm currently out of it. So yeah, that's all I got at Ulta.
Full speed, so pour it Paris. Tommy, vive all your danger. You stop it Gucci, stop it Louis V. Tommy, fly you out the breeze. Full speed, sweet on Janine. Rolls Royce back in hidden hills. Bags full of $100 bills. All you got your wife, she get chills.
So guys, I'm done getting ready, and I was gonna diffuse my hair, ignore my thing in the background, but I don't have enough time. But this is just what I'm wearing. Don't remember where the top is from. Fashion Nova jeans and heels. Let me show you guys better. So these are the heels, and then this is a better look at my outfit.
Stop it Gucci, stop it Louis V. Homie, fly you out the breeze. Full speed, so pour it Paris. Homie, vive all your danger. You stop it Gucci, stop it Louis V. Homie, fly you out the breeze. Full speed, so pour it Paris. Never falling, why you making problems? I've been silent, why you making problems? I'm a problem, being rich is not my fault. You decide who you think you should reside with. I've been quiet, hard to miss me when I'm flying. Going out to Keiko, she can stay in my room, she can stay in my room, and it ain't mine.
So guys, I made it back home, and it was a good day. I got most stuff that I wanted to get done. So yeah, I'm going to get ready for bed because I don't work tomorrow. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe, and as always, see you next time.